Hi, I'm Marty Sherman. I was diagnosed with prostate cancer at Pacific Urology. I saw Dr. Hopkins, and it's been approximately 4 years ago. I think my passions in order are my children, my grandchildren, my businesses, because I'm passionate about it. I just love it. I had prostate surgery, and I had somewhat of a continuing issue, and after the surgery, maybe a year later, I was directed to the Diablo Valley Oncology. When I first met Dr. Hopkins, he just has kind of a warm personality where you feel like you can talk to him and you feel like he cares. It's almost as though you're the only patient that he's seen. That's how it felt to me, and I was not afraid to ask questions, and we developed what I consider to be a very close relationship. I was treated at Diablo Valley Oncology's radiation department for, right now I can't remember, it was 6 or 8 weeks total, and I was there daily, maybe for 45 minutes, maybe an hour from the time in and the time out, and I was kept well informed, basically daily what was going on, what to expect, and I found that what they told me is exactly the way it was. And I saw the 2 radiation specialists 5 days a week, so you kind of develop a relationship with them, and they were fabulous. Specifically, what I like about Dr. Surratt is you can tell that he's very much in charge. There's no question. It leaves you with no question that he very much knows what he's doing, because there's kind of no hee-hawing. He knows what's going on, and he tells you where things are at, and he leaves you with the feeling that you're in the best care that you could be with. I feel like the staff there, I can't think of anybody that even had a bad day when I was there. People, when they work 5 days a week and you see them, month after month or year after year, you might see them grumpy occasionally, but I never did experience that. At either Pacific Urology or Diablo Valley Oncology. If I had a friend or a relative, would I refer them to either Dr. Hopkins or Dr. Surratt or Diablo Valley Oncology or Pacific Urology? Absolutely, and I have come to learn that I have a number of acquaintances. I say a number, less than 10, but it's still a number, that I have kind of shared my experience with, only to find out that they have had experience with either Dr. Hopkins or Pacific Urology or Dr. Surratt, Diablo Valley Oncology, and they're there for the same reasons that I'm there, because they're comfortable and they feel like they're getting the best care possible. And I've never heard a negative anything from anybody that I've ever discussed it with, so I would absolutely refer people there. I dearly love Dr. Hopkins. We have a fabulous relationship, and we can kind of poke each other, gouge each other, and it's a relationship that I think is very difficult to find, and I'm happy I found it. And the same goes for Dr. Surratt. I'm trying to recall how long I've seen Dr. Surratt at Diablo Valley Oncology, but it's probably close to 10 years I've been seeing Dr. Surratt, and the gals and guys that support him there, and I have a wonderful relationship with all of them. and I couldn't say enough about either organization and any of the doctors, either Dr. Hopkins, Dr. Surratt, or Dr. Rahman. I have a wonderful relationship with all of them, and have 100% trust in what they have to say.